I have a Secwise 50mm padlock. It's I got it real cheap. I paid the equivalent of $1 for it, and as you can see, Chinese quality. We can actually lock the shackle outside the anyway. So these are really bad, and I'll show you. We can shim it by sticking a shim in between the lock body and the core, and do this business. It's going to take too long on camera, but maybe not. It's open. So now I put the shim in between the core and the lock body and line up all the pins. Now we only have to turn the core and the lock opens. So that's one way to get inside. Naturally we can also rake it using the same rake. No problem there. And we can also single pin pick, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take this sharp knife and get it open by just pushing up like that. And the reason I think we can do that is the bitting on the key. Look at that. Look at that terrible bitting on the key. So that's not something you want to use. Anyway, that's the Secwise 50mm padlock, made in China, obviously. It says hardened on the shackle, but if you take a really hardened tool and do this business, we can see that this is not hardened steel. Look at that. So for the equivalent of $1, that's the Secwise 50mm padlock, 5-pinner, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or is it 6-pin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's a 6-pin. Or is it? Ah. 5-pin. Don't use it. Don't buy it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon.